Hello and welcome to Robos. This is more than just a trading bot. It's a project built by our team, constantly growing, evolving, and adapting to the market. Here, we share its journey in real time, from live trading performance to practical insights into how it learns and improves. You'll also find hands-on trading lessons and a fresh look at trading psychology, all through the eyes of an algorithm. We grow together, we learn together. Thanks for being here. Let's get started. Every trade you see in this video was opened and managed entirely by the trading bot. Stop loss and take profit levels are set automatically, with no manual input involved. In this video, our trading bot utilizes concepts from price action, smart money, and ICT strategies, along with data from indicators such as moving averages, RSI, volume, and ATR, to analyze the market and execute trades automatically. The robot identifies the nearest order block to the current price that aligns with the larger market trend, as indicated by the EMA 200 on H4, and highlights it with a distinct color. In Robust strategy, no entry zone is valid unless it strictly meets every single item in the checklist. After confirming and identifying a qualifying order block, the robot defines an entry zone around it based on the current ATR value and waits for the price to enter this designated area. Once the price enters this zone, the robot executes a position according to its preset risk and capital management parameters, placing the stop loss and take profit levels. At this moment, upon reaching reward 2, the bot automatically moves the stop to break even. All open trades are closed at the end of each trading day to minimize risk and protect your account from overnight exposure. Although price didn't reach the final target, considering the market conditions and the end of the trading day, exiting with a partial and reasonable profit was the right decision. Every trade is a test, not of the market, but of your character. Emotions are your biggest enemy in the market. Control them, and the market will respect you. Here, the 200 period moving average can act as a strong dynamic support, potentially preventing further price decline. At this point, we just wait to see if price reaches the marked zone, and if it does, we'll watch for the type of reaction the market gives. A stop hunt occurs at the previous internal low, followed by an immediate reversal. Since the designated zone is still valid, the robot takes its second opportunity and opens another trade within the same zone. The robot settings allow you to define the maximum number of trades it can execute within a specific trading zone. Here, the bot sets the trade to risk-free after reaching reward level 2. At this point, the bot successfully closes the trade with a 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio. This indicates that the market conditions aligned well with the initial analysis. Discipline in trading isn't optional. It's a professional requirement. Without it, no strategy can survive.
Patience is the shield against the fear of missing out, and discipline is the armor against emotional decisions. These two, combined with consistency in execution, build the essential mindset for survival and growth in the volatile world of trading.
Here, the 200 period moving average can act as a strong dynamic resistance, potentially limiting further upward movement. When the price hits reward 2, the stop is moved to break even. So, in the end, the bot closes this trade with a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio. When both market structure and the 200 EMA confirm the downtrend, it's better to look for selling opportunities. As you can see, the price doesn't hit our stop loss, but the bot still closes the trade in loss, simply because by its rules, all open positions must be closed by the end of the day. The bot teaches us to take trades only when the conditions align with our predefined rules, not based on fear, not based on excitement. Here, the bot once again identifies and marks a zone that matches its predefined conditions. We now wait to see whether the price reacts to our marked zone, and if it does, we'll closely observe what happens next in the market. When a zone like an FVG or order block is supported by the 200 moving average, it can be considered a higher probability area as the confluence of these technical factors increases the chances of a strong reaction. In many cases, the closer zone serves merely as a liquidity trap, generating false reactions. The bot's selection of this area was driven by its aggressive configuration. Otherwise, the farther zone would have been a more logical choice. In this part of the chart, we observe an equal highs structure, which smart money typically uses to trigger liquidity grabs before the actual move. As you can see, once the second target is reached, the bot switches to a risk-free mode. Here, the bot managed to close the trade with a reward of 3, hitting the target price without any manual intervention. Let's check how many trades the bot took this week, how many were successful, and what win rate it achieved.
We appreciate you taking the time to watch this segment of RoboSpot's evolutionary journey and our robotic-style trading education. With each passing day, our bot becomes smarter, and we hope you gain a fresh perspective on trading. If you found this video interesting, please give it a like, and to stay updated on future videos and our bot's advancements, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We look forward to your valuable feedback.